And now, I'm feeling a little nervous. You can probably notice it in my shaky voice and uneasy expression, but honestly, being nervous just means I really care. I'm actually angry right now, because so many of you watch my videos but don't hit that subscribe button or show support. Come on, that's not fair. Hey, notice how I'm speaking with confidence right now. My tone is steady, my words are clear, and my expression shows certainty.
Your AI talking avatar videos will never be boring again after watching this video. I'm about to show you how to add realistic emotions like anger, excitement, surprise, and happiness to any photo with just one click. No technical skills, no expensive software, just pure AI magic that will transform your content forever. And the best part, this takes literally 60 seconds. Stay with me. So welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into Jog AI, a game-changing AI tool that's about to revolutionize how you create talking videos. Jog AI just launched its most advanced AI avatar model called AvatarX. And we are going to do all these things in it today, creating cinematic quality, hyper-realistic AI avatars from any angle, generating viral AI singer content for social media, transforming boring talking heads into engaging characters. Before we jump in, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell. I share cutting-edge AI tools like this every single week. First things first, let's get you set up with Jog AI's AvatarX feature. I'll drop the Jog AI sign-up link in my description below. The process is super simple. Step 1, sign up and dashboard. Once you're signed up to Jog AI, you'll see this beautifully designed dashboard with tons of different AI tools. But today, we're focusing on their newest feature, AvatarX, in the talking photo section. Step 2, upload your image now. Here's where the magic begins. You can upload your own photo, use an existing AI avatar, or choose from their default image library. For this demo, I'm going to use this default image to show you the process. Here comes the incredible part. Choosing your emotions. Look at this amazing selection. Angry, confident, disgusted, happy, excited, surprised, sad, nervous. Let's start with angry. I'm selecting the angry emotion first. Watch how realistic this is about to become. Now I'll paste a short article here for the avatar to speak. And I'm choosing a female voice. Let's apply this one. Perfect. Now, click confirm, hit create video, and note that this uses 2 credits. The generation time is lightning fast, usually under 2 minutes. And here we go. Look at this result. Absolutely amazing. The angry facial expressions are incredibly realistic. You can see the furrowed brow, the intensity in the eyes, the mouth movement. Everything syncs perfectly with the emotion. Remember, this emotion will look even more authentic when you're creating content that actually matches this emotional tone. Similarly, I generated this video using the disgusted emotion. Let's check this out.
Emotions are the colors that paint our daily lives, and each one tells a story. Think about the last time you felt angry. Your heart raced, your words grew sharper, and suddenly even the smallest things felt overwhelming.
Awesome, it looks amazing. You can see that subtle nose wrinkle, the slight frown, those micro expressions that make disgust so recognizable. Let me show you another one I created using the surprised emotion. Check this out.
Emotions are the colors that paint our daily lives, and each one tells a story. Think about the last time you felt angry, your heart raced, your words grew sharper, and suddenly even the smallest things felt overwhelming.
Wow, look at those wide eyes, the open mouth, the genuine surprise expression. This is next level AI technology, and it looks absolutely stunning. Now let's take this to the next level. I'm going to show you how to create viral AI singer content that's perfect for social media. I'm uploading this AI-generated singer photo that looks incredibly realistic. Next, I'm applying the confident emotion because it matches the upbeat vibe we want. Here's where it gets exciting. I'm going to upload an audio file with music. This is where the magic really happens. Click create video, and let's see what happens.
I see your face in the morning glow. The sunlight whispers where we used to go.
This is absolutely mind-blowing. Look at those expressions. They're so beautiful and natural. It genuinely looks like a real professional singer performing. The lip sync is perfect. The emotions match the music flawlessly. Here's a pro tip. You can create short clips like this for Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. Trust me, your page will grow incredibly fast with content like this. But wait, there's more. This tool isn't limited to realistic photos. You can also add emotions to cartoon images, animated characters, literally anything. The steps are the same. Upload your cartoon image, apply your chosen emotion, add voiceover, and generate your animated cartoon with realistic emotions.
Once you understand this one simple psychology principle, You'll see why people behave the way they do and how you can use it to your advantage.
Look how the cartoon comes to life with realistic, emotional expressions. This opens up endless possibilities for animated content, children's videos, brand mascots. The applications are limitless. Jog AI AvatarX feature is a complete game changer for content creators, marketers, and anyone who wants to create engaging video content. So click the link in my description to try Jog AI's AvatarX feature for yourself.